Alright, got my Craftsman 3.7 back out, 20-inch bar. I've been doing some more work on my chain. What I did was I filed back on the teeth a little bit, which whenever you do that, that makes the rakers up a little bit higher. I'm trying to see how, how the effect of the profile of the cutter and the raker affect each other. So I sharpened them back a little bit, so now I didn't adjust the rakers. The rakers are probably on about 16 thousandths now. So I'm thinking that a faster, smoother cut requires a higher raker. So whenever you're sharpening your chain and you adjust your rakers, I think it's very critical to be careful about that. The best thing to do is you're supposed to sharpen your chain and then adjust the rakers. I think it's better to kind of do it the other way. Kind of, adjust your tooth profile to your raker. Like set your raker at whatever height, maybe for real hardwood like this. This is white oak. And it's come off probably a couple 100-year-old white oak tree, and I mean it's brutally hard. If you're gonna cut something hard like this, I think maybe a higher raker is probably better. Probably, it's probably about right now. I'm thinking like maybe 16 thousandths raker height, and then file your tooth profile to match that raker height. I think that'd be your best option, instead of just go automatically setting them on 25 or 30, whatever you put them on. I think you're better off set them on like 16, no more than 20 thousandths. I think about 16 thousandths is probably about the right height, and then adjust the tooth profile, how the angle of the top plate and the side plate, adjust all that to it, see how it does. I hadn't cut with it yet, so it may not cut good. It may be still, may not do good, but that's what I've done to it. So the raker's on about 16 thousandths. The teeth are filed back from they're about a 16th, maybe a little bit more from the witness line of being, all the way back to the witness line. So the teeth are pretty small, and we're gonna crank it up, give it a try. This is about a 16-inch diameter, 16-inch diameter white oak. And like I said, this is not no softwood. This is super hard oak, white oak. I'm gonna crank my saw up, warm it up. We'll give it a try and see how the high rakers do. The 16 thousandths raker in the profile, I think, is filed to match that raker height. Let's see how that does.
Okay.